guy know that they're in there with a real fighter.
And Khan is trying to do that right now. Is taking away his energy and every...
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, suporta naman. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Matapos ang 5 sunod-sunod na panalo at madipinsaan ng 2 beses ang kanyang titulong WBC Silver Welterweight title, ay naghanap pa ng mas malaking laban itong si Amir Khan dahil sa kagustuhang maitatak at maisali ang kanyang pangalan sa prestihiyosong Boxing Hall of Fame. Dahil sa hindi naikasa ang kanyang mga inaasam-asam na laban kontra kay Floyd Mayweather at Manny Pacquiao, ay nagdesisyong umakyat ng timbang itong si Amir Khan. From welterweight ay umakyat siya sa middleweight para makalaban ang kinakatakutang Mexican champion at kasalukuyang top pound for pound na si Saul Canelo Alvarez. May 7, 2016, naikasa ang laban, nakataya ang titulo ni Canelo na WBC World Middleweight title. Sa isang interview ay sinabi ni Amir Khan na talagang desperado na siya na makalaban sa isang malaking laban dahil pangarap daw talaga niya na maipako ang kanyang pangalan bilang isa sa pinakamagaling na boksidor sa kasaysayan. Dagdag pa niya na kung manalo siya kontra kay Canelo ay siguradong magiging alamat na siya sa larangan ng boxing. Bagamat sobrang underdog nitong si Amir Khan kontra sa mas malaking si Canelo, ay di ito kinatakutan ni Amir Khan at maraming boxer ang bumilib sa lakas ng loob niya. Pero aminado sila na di sila masusorpresa kung si Canelo Alvarez ang mananaig sa laban nila. Sa mismong bakbakan, bit-bit ng challenger na si Amir Khan ang record na 31 wins, 3 losses, 19 dito via KO. Habang itong kampiyon na si Canelo ay may impresibong kartada na 46 wins, only 1 defeat, 1 draw, 32 dito via knockout. Singtangkad lang ang dalawa at parehong orthodox ang style nila. Unang round, mas naunang nagbitaw ng sunod-sunod na suntok itong Briton na si Amir Khan. Pinapakita agad ang bilis na taglay niya, habang si Canelo ay parelax-relax lang muna, pero epektibong kumakounter din paminsan-minsan.
First 2 punches are jabs from Khan. Hard right hand by Khan, following the jab.
And Ruiz, they have to let the bigger guy know that they're in there with a real fighter.
And Khan is...
But the problem is now that he helped.
Canelo is a measured, patient fighter. Hard left hook. Well, so far, I think Khan's trainer, Virgil Hunter, is...
Round 2, andon pa rin ang bilis ng galaw at kombinasyon ni Amir Khan, pero si Canelo nagsimula ng pinipressure si Khan. Bagamat madalang lang bumato ng kanyang mga kamao, pero epektibong tumatama naman ito.
Fights his way out of the corner with hand speed.
And make him pay for misses like that.
Yeah, kind of hurt him with that shot, or got his attention with that.
Canelo landed a right hand to the body, missed with the left hook.
Wild swings by Canelo. The danger is the chance to counter.
He should only pot shot Canelo until about between the second and third punch.
Terrific fight so
Amir Khan to stop himself from throwing.
Khan is able to move where he pleases.
Harold Letterman agreeing with us, as you see, giving the first 2 rounds.
Why I said that layoff wouldn't hurt him much. Wear him down some before he hurts him, Jim.
After he catches him in the body shot. Hello, Alvarez, I would tell him focus on the
Different trainers have different philosophies.
left hook.
Should be that too. But
And guess what? Because that's not his style, that's why he couldn't give Floyd.
falling Canelo into the kind of fight that Amir Khan a couple rounds say. Canelo
Smart though. He's even hit.
Okay, so Virgil yells point, point.
Could be talking about the pivot to the left, point to the right, keep him out of position, don't stand there right. Therefore, you're not allowing him to set up an attack.
Not crying anymore.
Sa sumunod pang mga rounds ay mas naging ma-action pa ang laban ng dalawa. Constant pressure pa rin ang diskarte ni Canelo para makalapit kay Amir Khan, at madalas na rin nakakatama dito si Canelo ng kanyang mga solidong kamao kumpara sa mga wild punches ni Khan.
at each other, but this is of a type so far successfully.
Classic.
Good right hand, on over the top. Good body shot by Alvarez in return.
That was the right counterpunch for Alvarez.
Left hand to the body by Canelo.
Vision. Khan's movement is much more purposeful and less wasteful. He remains in position to counter lightly
In return.
And Khan's quick hands are causing Alvarez a little bit of a problem.
Is he feeling those punches to the body?
That he came out to use his jab against the
exchange moments ago. That's the danger zone.
consistently on the hunt. Keep
Job of cutting off the ring here in the fourth. Nani Golovkin at ringside with his trainer Abel Sanchez. Title belt as an absolute must mandatory challenger after this fight. Hard left hook for
Sa mga rounds na ito ay nagsimula na rin ininda ni Khan ang lakas ng kamao ng isang middleweight na si Canelo. Mas madiin kung tumama kumpara sa mas mabilis na mga kamao at kombinasyon ni Amir Khan.
rebuff Miguel of Cuba, the man who beat him and win the world championship from him. The fight
Khan not to do. You don't want Khan with 3 or 4 punches to land that third
from out in the rural area.
because he won't beat Khan like this.
But Rahan now forced to acknowledge those Canelo
Off the ring.
That's the shot. See that third shot? Those are the ones that he has to land.
play get taken away. It does.
Sixth round, wala na. Nakakapasok na talaga ang opensa ni Canelo. Nakuha na ang tamang diskarte sa laban. Tila hindi rin ininda ni Canelo ang mga suntok ni Amir Khan habang itong Briton ay makikitang bahagyang bumagal na.
His preferred weight of 155. Hard body chop with the right hand by Canelo off the ring, creating less and less physical space between himself and Khan.
Canelo backs out now and gives him time. Tries to box like he did.
Kaya sa huling mga minutos sa nasabing round, matapos nagbato ng jab sa ulo si Canelo, ay sorpresang nagbitaw ito bigla ng pamatay niyang kanan sa ulo ni Khan at bagsak ito.
As well as taking away his energy and everybody.
Oh!
Tremendous right hand shot by Canelo.
Di na binilangan ng referee dahil wala na. Tulog na, nadilat ang mata ni Amir Khan. Brutal knockout ang nangyari. Halos di agad nakagalaw si Khan sa ibabaw ng lona.
The danger from a shot like that is not only the punch on the chin that short-circuited Khan's legs, it's the fact that the back of his head smacks off the canvas, which is the cause for concern.
Khan is awake. Alvarez did his job.
Sa replay ay makikitang sapul na sapul ni Canelo ang kilalang glass jaw ni Amir Khan. Bagsak na dilat ang mata at may kasamang sipon pa na lumabas mula sa ilong niya. Panalo si Canelo Alvarez via 6th round KO at tagumpay na nadipinsaan ang titulo. Sa scorecards ng tatlong hurado, isang judge ang pumabor kay Amir Khan habang dalawa ay kay Canelo.
And still, WBC Ring Magazine Lineal Middleweight Champion of the World, Saul Canelo Alvarez.
Matapos ang laban, sa interview kay Amir Khan ay di naman daw siya nagsisisi na lumaban siya sa mas mataas na timbang at sa kinakatakutan pa na si Canelo Alvarez dahil malaking oportunidad daw ito. Ayaw daw niyang habang buhay na lang niyang isipin na kung mananalo ba siya o matatalo sa laban kung sakaling ito ay kanyang tinanggihan. Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa video ito? Ang inyong komento, reaksyon at suggestion ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.